Start by logging into your WB portal on windsorbrokers.com from any browser or log in via the Windsor Brokers app by entering your email address and password. If you don't have an account, simply select Sign Up and follow the registration steps to create one. To complete your account verification process, click on More and select Upload Documents to submit the necessary identification documents. These include your proof of identity, POI, which can be a valid passport or national ID, and your proof of address, which can be a recent utility bill, bank statement, or any official document that shows your name and address, dated within the last 3 months. If you plan to fund your account by credit card, you will also need to upload your proof of payment. This should be a scanned copy or clear photograph of your credit card, showing the first 6 and last 4 digits of the 16-digit number on the front side and your name on the back side, with the CVV code covered. Once you have uploaded the required documents, click on the Submit button. Your documents will be reviewed by the Windsor Brokers verification team. If your documents are approved, you will receive a confirmation email and your account will be fully verified. You can then start trading with full access to all features and benefits of your Windsor Brokers account. If there are any issues with your documents, you will be notified via email with instructions on what needs to be corrected or resubmitted. For any assistance during the verification process, you can contact Windsor Brokers customer support through the support section in the portal or app. Thank you for watching.